Hello. Here is number 2 of the miniature junk journal kit, approximately 6 by 5. It's a cloth cover. My sister made these up as starter kits. Has an inside-out fabric, and it has 3 signatures, 5 pages folded in half, and a cute little kit. Has 3 signature threads and a needle and a needle threader, paper clips, a little lacy thing, pretty little flowers and buttons. And then I made up this envelope a while back, sewed it, and then throwing some punches in. Here's a Forever Flawless. Can be used as a tuck on a page. And there's the opposite, or the negative of the butterfly. And some punches here. And music punches. There's a little card that was in a book. And here is a Garfield. Oh, you know the tiny little ones on the back of a calendar? That's what that is from. This is fussy cut from a book page. You got a picture of a flower from a magazine. You got a bird card. I made this a while back. A little extra there. A tag. A couple pretty pages to add. And you have the Monopoly money and the Monopoly card. And a game card. An Uno card. Regular playing card. Snoopy. And that is number 2. Thank you for watching. Bye.